is heavy. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love the vibe in this tribe, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and don't forget to ring that bell, bing, so you don't miss another video. I recently received a box from 31, a surprise box, and I'm going to do a live unboxing right here. And I'm also going to talk to you about a announcement that I have at the very end of the unboxing. So go ahead and stick around if you want to know about you potentially earning some over the holiday season and then some. Also, I'm going to fill you in on all my giveaways and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Well, your girl is on the top, right? The top. Presidential Advisory Council. You're like, what the heck is that? Ladies, I hustled last year, and guess what? Because of all your love and support, you're looking at one of the top people in 31. And how I got there has been an amazing trip, and I love sharing the perks, top level perks as I'm calling them, and one of them was this box. So this was a total surprise. If you don't know, 31 ships with FedEx, and I got some alert saying that a 5-pound box is headed my way. I was like, I didn't order anything that's 5 pounds. So I was like, oh, it's from home office. And I made it official with this note. It says, Rochelle, just a little something from us to you for being on PAC, or Presidential Advisory Council. Jennifer R, Katie, Jen K, Christina, and team. So these are these are our home office gals that we continually work with. I love how they have a handwritten note on the box. So let's go ahead and dive right into what's. I don't know what it's in. I've been waiting to do this unboxing so it could be like a live reaction. But as you guys saw in my stories on Facebook, I was so excited when I saw this box because I had a rough day at the hospital and it was a nice surprise. So the frou-frou in here. So I'm guessing one, it could be some kind of elite or exclusive personalized 31 item. I'm hoping, I don't know, it's something relatively for the holidays because we're about to jump into the holiday season, and I don't know, it could be anything really. But it's 5 pounds. Like, what the heck is 5 pounds? So let's go ahead. This is what we see. Oh my goodness, what is that? It's another box. It says Crema Nut Company. Oh, that's why it's heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ah! Super heavy nut company. I'm seeing it over here. It's from Columbus, Ohio. Giving them a shout out. Thank you so much, home office. This is heavy. Let's go ahead and see what it is. Oh my God, nuts. I'm assuming it's nuts. And what is it, guys? What is it? What is it? Oh, okay, it's a variety of nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have Coke chocolate dip peanuts, Redskin peanuts, colossal natural pistachios, sweet and nutty butter popcorn. So thank you, home office. What a nice treat. Now, for you folks who know that I'm on a plan, this is probably the only thing that's plan approved, but that's okay. That means I get to shower my friends and family, my local friends and family, with these goodies. Normally I bring them to work. So ladies at work, if you're watching, guess what? Well, most of you guys are on the plan too. I'm sure I will find a nice home for these. So thank you, home office. Top leader Perks. They're sending me food now, okay? They are sending me food. More is yet to come, and I can't wait to share with all that fun stuff that's happening. I just booked my first trip in 2022 to Dallas. I'm going to Dallas in early January, and because of top level Perks, there's a ton of things that they're showcasing with us, and I can't wait to show you and potentially do a vlog or some video of my trip over there, okay? So I told you after in the boxing I had some big news. Ladies, I'm looking for some Bag Babe ambassadors. That's right, Bag Babe ambassador. What the heck is a Bag Babe ambassador? If you want to make some actual money on the side before the holidays, it's a good amount. Okay, this is for you. If you love being social, whether that be in person or virtual, this is for you. If you love being motivated, self-motivated, fun, I'm calling you out, okay? Bag Babe ambassadors, this is a chance for you to help you with your holiday shopping. I only have a few spots left or I'm looking for limited spots, okay? Specifically 10. If you want more information, or if you qualify for all those, you're social, super social, you're self-motivated, and you love reaching goals, if you could use the extra before the holiday season, fill out the form down below. There is a form. I will reach out to you if you meet all the requirements of the Bag Babe Ambassador. Again, I only have 10 spots. I might want it to more depending on how well or how big I want to get to do this. And this Bag Babe Ambassador is only good for the holiday season, for November to December. Okay, more to come if you decide to do that. I'll go ahead and fill out the form and I will reach out to you, okay? So if you are loving everything with 31, don't forget to get in my mystery hostess. Link is down below. You get double entries for November when you shop by November 6th. There is still a ton of fun things happening for the upcoming holiday season. November is our biggest month. So I want you to shop with confidence. The 31 home office team and the distribution team have been working and plotting to make sure that you get your holiday stuff in a timely manner, okay? There's bundles, there's our customer specials. You could get your whole cart on sale. Just reach out to me if you have any questions, okay? Now, if your cart is $200 or plus and you're going on a shopping spree, reach out to me. We can create you a shopping link just for you so you can go ahead and unlock those rewards for yourself. If your list is long, you want to shop at a discount, you just want to be a seasonal 31 consultant for the holidays, let's chat. I can answer all your questions. We're looking for leaders and consultants alike. And I would be honored if you joined with me. I can guide you to wherever, how big or small your 31 journey will take you. And if you haven't yet, come join me live on Saturdays during Bag Babe TV, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time, where we talk about all the fun things with 31. You're going live with me and the awesome Bag Babes in this community. This Saturday, we're going to be talking about all things November, wrapping up October, talking about all things November, and I can answer your questions about the Bag Babe Ambassador program that I am unlocking for the holiday season. Till then, ladies, have a beautiful, blessed weekend, and